today I'm going to show you how to make a book using the app Scribble Press. So first, on your iPad, find this app Scribble Press, or if you don't have it, download it from the App Store. This is what the app icon looks like. Scribble Press. Alright, now that you have Scribble Press, open it, and this is the home page for Scribble Press. You see here you have several different options. You can make a new book, make a new drawing, or browse books. If you want to get an idea of what some of the Scribble Press books look like, you can come here to Browse Books and read other people's books. Once you have a good idea, you want to choose this, New Book, because that's what we're going to make today, a new book. Okay, the next screen you'll see looks like this, and you have some more choices to make. You can make a blank book, or these, About Me, Aliens, Family, Fantasy, Holiday, Humor, Most Popular School. All of these are books that are pre-made. They're partially written. Some of it's written, some of it you need to fill in. And there's some pictures and things that go with it. They're fun, and it's fun to go and look at those and maybe play with them. But for today, I want to see what you can make. So I want you to choose blank book. Means there's nothing in it. Okay, so now we're getting ready to get started writing and drawing our book. This is the main page for creating your book. So let's look at some of the buttons here along the top. This is my home button. It will take me back to the very first page I was on. My book will save, but maybe if I want to go and start over, try a different book, or if I'm just tired and I want to leave, I can choose this button. In the middle here, it tells me how many pages I have and which page I'm on now. So you can see I have one page and I'm on that one page. Later, when I add more pages, it will tell me, for example, page 2 of 4. That means I'm on the second page and I have 4 pages total. This little button here is how I view my pages. Right now, I have one page on the screen. If I want to see more than one page, say 4 pages, I come and touch this, and then I will see page 1, 2, 3, and 4. These other buttons here, we know what this button is. That's for exporting. So when I finish my book, I want to put it on WebDAV, I come and I push this button. This final button here is for printing. Don't worry about that. We're not going to be printing anything today. Okay, so that's all the buttons at the top. Now let's look at all the fun stuff down here at the bottom. And let's start with these, the markers. If I touch this tab here that says Marker Wall, let's see what happens. Now I'm brought to another page that's my marker wall. And these are all the different colors that I can choose from to make my book. So all I need to do is touch a color, and now I can choose from several different types of markers. I have kind of a big fat marker here, a smaller marker, and then a very fine tip marker. I also have some different stamps. So when I use this marker, I will get a house, a tree, a sunshine, a cloud, a star, a heart, or it looks kind of like a smiley face. So all I need to do to choose this is to touch it and then drag it down here into my toolbox. When I've got all of the different colors I want, I can go back to the drawing board and use them. Now I can come back to this marker wall anytime during while I'm making my book. So if there's a color that I need or a size of marker that I want, I can always come back here and add it to my toolbox. Okay, so now we're back in our main page where we're creating the book, and we need to look at the rest of these buttons quickly. This button here, that makes my eraser larger or smaller, depending on what I need my eraser for. This button is for my cover page. Now the cover page is where I put my title and my name. Right? This is the first page that people see of my book. I can also select cover art if you've made a drawing in Scribble Press, or if you have a picture from somewhere else that you want to use as your cover art. Right? You can come here and select it, or you can create cover art right here. So you create this, and then you use your markers here to draw a picture of your cover. Now remember, this is the first thing that people see, so you want to make sure it looks really nice and really fun. Just like we have a front cover, we also have a back cover, and that's this button here. And this is just a place where you can put a bit more information about yourself and your book. If you want, you can put a photo, you can put some information about you because you are the author, and you can also put some information about the book. Some of the other buttons down here in your toolbox, this button here that looks like a very nice place to go on vacation, is where you can change the background color for your book. So if you don't want this boring white, you can come and choose another color. Also, the camera, guess what? That takes you to your camera roll. So you can go and find pictures from the internet or from somewhere else, and you can put them in your book as well. So you don't have to draw everything. And if you're not a very good artist and you can't find the picture you want, you can come here to the apple, and this gives you stickers. So stickers are little drawings that someone else has made for you, and you just choose those, stick them in there, and you're good to go. Alright, finally, you want some words for this story, so you can either write them with your hand using the markers, or you can choose the keyboard and type in your text to make it look more professional. Okay, so I think you know everything you need to know about Scribble Press to make one amazing book. I can't wait to see them.